Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 12th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. So two puzzles remain. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Sugu. This one with 4 stars. And you are interested in this one. Yes, it's the binary puzzle. It's binary time, and this one will be number 9739. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Yes. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Doubles, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Doubles, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the second row, so the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. 4 ones we have here in the first row, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in this column, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this third row, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 2 minutes. Alright, we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the fourth and last puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.